Hi everyone. I'm making some coleslaw today because it's a great side dish with barbecue ribs. And going back to, I used to own a deli and I didn't like the just bland, all kind of coleslaw that was out there, so I concocted my own recipe. And here is a pound of coleslaw, and I have mayonnaise, which is a typical, but then I add sour cream because I think it makes it a little more interesting. So I'm going to show you what I do. This is not a very long video. I put, okay, this is like a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And this is about a half a teaspoon of sugar. Got to take a little of the bite out of the cabbage. Then we have a teaspoon of salt. About a half to 3/4 of a cup of sour cream.
Hedy, can I see?
Equal amounts of sour cream and mayonnaise. I love sour cream. I don't know about you guys, but sour cream is yummy. You know what I do sometimes? I dip pretzels in sour cream. That might sound gross, but it's really not. It's delicious. So equal amounts of sour cream and mayonnaise. And then to top it off, a little lemon. There we go. A half a lemon. Just mix it very well. Sometimes you could put like a teeny bit of milk. Not a lot, because you don't want it too liquidy.
No milk.
No milk.
And cover it before you put it in the fridge.
Yes. It's delicioso. You notice my shirt? Wanna tease. The wanna tease. This goes great with ribs. And what I usually make in the summer, and I'll make it for you down the line, is my mac and cheese, which the recipe, I can't take credit for all of it. I take credit for a little part of it. I got on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. It was one of these Southern ladies' recipes. It's really good. But I also mix it up a little bit here and there.
She altered it a little bit.
Yeah, I always alter a recipe. I make it my own. Okay, so you could see it's pretty.
This also goes well with pulled pork, right? Any of those barbecue meats.
Yeah, great with a hamburger, cheeseburger. Goes well with anything. So in the summertime, I'll make you my mac and cheese. And see if it needs anything. Nope, it's pretty good. So there you go. Right. I'm gonna put this in a nice bowl because I gotta take photos. Be back. Okay, so here's the end product. It's really delicious. It's very simple, very easy. You could buy the pre-cut coleslaw mix, or if you want, you could cut up the cabbage yourself, but why bother? This is the perfect, what do you say, accoutrement to ribs, pulled pork, hamburgers, whatever. See you next time.